Dear partners, thank you for taking time out to attend the RWD Global Partners Conference 2022. Now, please follow the camera and visit RWD headquarters together. RWD is headquarters in Shenzhen, China, with a total area of 6,000 to 7,000 square meters. We have 3 floor office areas. Now, we come to the first office floor, the 19th floor. The first thing you see is the reception, and in the front is our office area. It is our sales department of Animal Health. With an international elite team of nearly 13 people, our business covers more than 100 countries and regions. And this area is the Customer Service Center, providing professional technical support and solve problems for clients. This area is the Business Center, which is responsible for the finance, orders arrangement, and so on. Here is our dining area. We have 3 dining areas, which can cater for 120 persons at the same time. This is one of our meeting rooms. Out of these meeting rooms are the administrations department and the IT department. After visiting the 19th floor, let's follow the camera to the 20th floor. On the 20th floor is RWD's R&D Center, which consists of 3 departments: Products R&D Center, Products Management Center, and Quality Management Center, with more than 100 R&D staff. Through the dining area, here comes to our laboratories, which include hardware, reliability, EMC, species, and other types of laboratories for products development and quality control. Next is the final office floor, the 9th floor. This area is the marketing department responsible for advertising, design, exhibiting, marketing, and other market-related content. Those play important part of RWD's advertisement. Here is the showroom. Our vision is reinforce the life quality improvement by Winston and Strange and become a top-rating enterprise. Our mission is to provide reliable solution and service in the life science, animal health, and clinical medical phase to help our customer achieve success. We keep high quality, integrity, and responsibility. At the same time, we have also obtained various products patents qualifications, and honorary certificates. Here is our company history. In the past 15 to 20 years, we have launched plenty veterinary solutions. Here are various solutions in the showroom. This is our presentation area of animal treatment solutions. Our anesthesia machines, ventilator, and other classic products has been highly recognized by customers all around the world. And dental workstation, laser therapy instrument, and other new products are gradually entering the market. We focus on customer service, technological research, and innovation development, and adhere to the quality-first strategy. It is RWD's way of development. After 20 years of market precipitation, RWD products have get high recognition from customers in more than 100 regions around the world. In front is the office area for the production department. Our factories are in other locations of Shenzhen. RWD wait for your visit. Thank you.